Tim, is that you? Tim, what are you doing over there?
Yo, what's up? Just finishing up the car. Been out here for about an hour though. It took me forever.
Tim, get rid of the bucket and soap. There's better ways to clean your car now.
What is up, YouTube? AVI back with another video.
Today we're going to be putting Shine Armor's Fortify Quick Coat to the test. So Tim's got the traditional hand washing method with the soap and bucket, and I'm going to be using a new product to see if the futuristic way to clean is the right way to do it.
And we appreciate Shine Armor for sending us this product to review. You can also get 20% off your purchase by using code AIV20, not AVI, AIV20. We're looking to get that fixed, but use that code to get 20% off. And yeah, we'll let you guys know our final thoughts at the end of the video. Let's get to it.
All right, so here we got Tim cleaning up his half of the car. He's using the traditional soap and sponge method. And as you can see before, there's his car is a little dirty, and we picked obviously the worst side of the car, the most dirty side, to really test out the product and see how it is. So he's going at it.
This takes forever though. That's one thing.
It takes forever. You gotta rinse it and then wash it, dry it, repeat possibly. And yeah, maybe with Shine Armor's Fortify Quick Coat, we could cut this time in half. Let's see, he's really going at it.
There we go. I think I got everything.
Yeah.
It's obviously not a great wash, but it'll be able to tell us which one does a better job. All right, let's go rinse that off and we'll try the Shine Armor.
All right, so now we're gonna be working on this side, and we'll just go over the steps really quick. So it says to spray on a clean, damp microfiber cloth and onto the surface you're cleaning. So we're gonna gently, second step, gently wipe the surface with the pre-wetted folded microfiber cloth, and then we'll switch to a dry microfiber cloth. And then just repeat the process until your car's clean. So let's get to it. So I have this, it's already damped. Just gonna spray it on. I think that's good. And it's purple, so you know it's gonna work good. And it smells good, but don't huff, kids. Spray. Oh yeah, now we're gonna spray the car.
And as you can see the difference of clean, maybe if I back up, you can see how much cleaner that side is before cleaning. So we'll be able to see the difference.
Yep, regular soap compared to Shine Armor. Now I'm gonna just do the whole car, or the whole door here.
Yes, free car wash from Dave. Ooh. Do the whole car. How does it feel? Like it's smooth?
So far I can't really tell.
Feels like normal water then, that's good.
Yeah. I mean, maybe I just need to do this, give it a whole another clean. I know I'm kind of like rubbing like the dirt with onto the paint, but this is kind of like what you have to do, I guess.
It does smell good. Smells like grape.
Don't drink it. All right, and while it's still wet, I will buff it off with a dry microfiber, and let's see the outcome. And really, this is cutting the time between like getting a bucket, get the soap ready, and just like that, I'm basically done.
And another use case that I know Dave and I talked about is when you go to a car show. Let's say you have a whole bunch of bugs on your way to the car show. You don't have a bucket. You could just take this spray it down, and clean it. But let's look at the before. Yeah. So this is obviously the normal bucket method, yep. And this is the Shine Armor, and it looks just as good. What do you think, Dave?
It looks, I think it looks just as good, but to be honest, the spray bottle just worked really well.
Really
fast. Really fast. No need for the bucket. This is your bucket, essentially.
Bye-bye, bucket.
This is your bucket, essentially. And
yeah, look at the, I mean, you can't tell at all. And it was, I'd say less than half the time.
Yeah, no hose required, nothing like that. Just a wet microfiber cloth and some of this, and it went pretty well.
And we needed the microfiber cloth too to dry the bucket side anyway. Yeah. So it really is either that bottle or soap and water, which, look at that. That doesn't look good.
Yeah, I mean, I guess the only drawback is that this is going to cost you some money, obviously, but if you use our code AIV20, you get 20% off.
Yep.
So that's perfect. It's a win-win.
And honestly, the soap, like for the bucket method, also costs pretty much the same, right?
You're right, yeah. So in the long run,
I'd say do it. I mean, look at the difference. There is no difference. You come to this side too. Looks good. But now the problem is, Dave, we only did half the car.
Oh,
Now you got to do the rest. But we'll do that off camera.
yeah. And we were just about to close the video, but just feel the difference. Or you can't really feel it, but I can. This feels rough, and then you get on this side, it's like waxy. It's like perfect.
It's way different.
Yeah.
So try it yourself. Let us know in the comments. Maybe we're just going crazy here, and we don't think it feels better. But try it out. Here's the bottle again.
Fortify Quick Coat, link in the description. It's like purple, it's got this waxy touch to it, so not only are you cleaning it, but you're waxing your car too. So yeah, again, check out Shine Armor's products, use code AIV20 for 20% off. You got nothing to lose, and just like that, AVI out.